The C-17 Globemaster III pilot looked out the window of his aircraft and saw the chaos unfolding on the ground below. A terrorist attack had just taken place, and the airfield was under heavy fire. The pilot knew that he had to get his plane off the ground as quickly as possible, or they would all be killed. He turned to his co-pilot and said, "We're going to have to do a short field takeoff." The co-pilot nodded in understanding. A short field takeoff is a procedure that allows an aircraft to take off from a runway that is shorter than normal. It is a risky maneuver, but it was the only way they were going to get out of there alive. The pilot began to taxi the plane down the runway. He kept the throttles at full power, and the plane began to accelerate rapidly. As they approached the end of the runway, the pilot pulled back on the yoke and the plane lifted off. They were just a few feet above the ground when the wheels finally cleared the runway. The pilot banked the plane to the left and climbed away from the airfield. As they gained altitude, the pilot could see the flames and smoke rising from the ground below. He knew that they had made it out just in time. The pilot and co-pilot flew the plane to a safe location, where they landed without incident. They had escaped the terrorist attack, but they knew that the war was not over. They would be back, and they would be ready. The pilot and co-pilot's actions that day were heroic. They risked their lives to save the lives of their crew and passengers. Their story is a reminder of the courage and dedication of the men and women who serve in our armed forces. The C-17 Globemaster III is a large military transport aircraft that is capable of carrying a wide variety of cargo. It is also used to transport troops and equipment to and from war zones. The aircraft is equipped with a powerful engine that allows it to take off from short runways. This makes it an ideal aircraft for use in emergency situations. The pilot and co-pilot of the C-17 Globemaster III in this story displayed great skill and courage in their handling of the aircraft. They were able to successfully complete a short field takeoff in a dangerous situation. Their actions saved the lives of their crew and passengers, and they are a testament to the professionalism and dedication of the men and women who serve in our armed forces. The story of the C-17 Globemaster III pilot rushing emergency to take off is a reminder of the importance of air power in modern warfare. The ability to quickly and efficiently transport troops and equipment to and from the battlefield can be the difference between victory and defeat. The C-17 Globemaster III is an essential part of the United States military's arsenal, and its pilots are some of the most highly trained and skilled in the world. The story of the C-17 Globemaster III pilot rushing emergency to take off is also a reminder of the dangers of war. The terrorist attack that took place in the story was a reminder that even in peacetime, our military must be prepared for anything. The men and women who serve in our armed forces are willing to put their lives on the line to protect our country, and we should never take that for granted.